Did you ever expand your consciousness, your awareness? Did you ever drink alcohol or smoked some weed and you run around and you can feel all of a sudden that the senses, what you perceive, is not stagnant, that everything is moving, the consciousness is expanding, your body is more rested? Why? It's not just because of the substance, it's actually because of the breathing. If you are under a condition, intoxication, then automatically your breathing slows down. And the key to expand your awareness, your consciousness, is to breathe slow. We usually tend to breathe about 12 to 20 times a minute. But if you learn to reduce the breathing to 6 times a minute, you will all of a sudden have always an expanded consciousness. It's very simple. But we go even further. We're letting go of the breath. And then that's it actually where the magic is happening. Because when you stop breathing, you let the breath happen, you let go of control, and you're fully in the present moment. I can do this right now as I speak to you. You can also do this in your presentation, in school, talking to your children, driving a car. It's so sublime because it aligns your body, your mind, your thinking, your feeling, your emotions, your acting, and you will be fully in the moment where you can access 100% of your capacity. So all you have to do, close your eyes, focus on your breath, in and out through the nose. Just observe the breath without much control. And now we breathe in for 4 seconds and breathe out for 6. Focus is on the belly, diaphragm, chest. If you can breathe that long, you can also breathe shorter. But make sure the exhalation is longer than the inhalation. This will help you to tap into parasympathetic nervous system. The exhale can be also equally to the inhalation, but just let go of the breathing more and more. Four seconds in, 6 seconds out. Means we breathe now 6 times in a minute. One cycle, 10 seconds, 6 times in a minute. Now hold the breath for 2 seconds in between. You inhale for 4, you hold for 2, exhale for 6. Means you breathe only 5 times now. Now let go of the counting, let go of the breath hold, and just observe your breath. With each in and exhale, you're letting go of the breath more and more. The breath becomes softer, more calm, more clear. Not so deep anymore. The slower, the calmer you breathe, the more energy will be released, the more healing will happen. Letting go of the breath more and more. No need to breathe so deep anymore. Make the breath soft, that you almost can't hear the breathing. Just listen to the sound of the Tibetan bowl, and you adjust your breathing. The lower the sound will be, the slower your breathing. When you reach the point there's no sound, you let go of the breath completely. You will just observe the breathing without much control. Just listen and adjust your breath. Letting go of the breath. Stop manipulating. Letting go of the control in life. Just step back and observe. Observe the breath right in front of you. Just observe. There's no need to breathe. It will happen automatically, all the time, like any other day. Just observe without any control. Now imagine yourself in a stressful situation, maybe a car accident, or some bad news, or some loved one shouts with you. And you just step back, observe the breathing, and imagine the scene right in front of you. Just want you to get a feeling how it should be in your day-to-day life. Can you breathe without any endeavor? Just observing life itself in front of you. Maybe feel a rush of energy because prana can move when the body and the mind are calm. Maybe you see something, feel something, hear something. Just let it go. Wonderful. And slowly, gently open your eyes. You might feel like your body is like sinking a little bit, the head is moving forward, and that's okay. It's not because you're tired. Letting go of all the tension. This is where healing starts. Maybe you feel some pain even, because the prana goes there where it needs healing. At the same time, you relax, because you can only heal when the body is relaxed, the consciousness, the awareness is open. Yeah, it's so easy. Try this now as I talk. Yeah? You observe the breath. Myself, I'm also not behind the breath. I almost feel like I'm behind my own body, and I observe. And if you do this in any situation, any condition, you will be fully present, you will be in control, and you will experience pleasure and joy from within. I hope that helped. Thanks for your time. Namaste.